Assalamualaikum friends. This is me from Mini Arts. Today I am doing an activity with my siblings. I am taking some plaster, adding some glue and water to make a runny paste. Mix, mix, mix. Now we are pouring it into eggshells. Yes, you guessed it right. We are making mushrooms. Now we are inserting sticks in eggshells. Now I am leaving it to dry. As the weather is too hot, so it took 60 minutes to dry. We removed the shells and applied the colors of our choices. My siblings are also helping me to color it. We are really enjoying all the process. You should also tell me that what should I make next. When the color dries, we make white dots on it with the help of cotton buds. We make some colorful and cute mushrooms. It's so beautiful. Ta-da! Our mini mushrooms are ready to display. That is our first experience with plaster.